Ducks versus Sabres. In real life, this is a terribly unfortunate matchup, but in this hockey game, it's pretty close. The Ducks are hanging on. It's brought to you by DraftKings. Download the #1 sportsbook app now. Use promo code JOHNBOY when you do. So our guy Zegras is going to get the puck behind the net. He's going to say, yeah, let's just do it. Flips it up. His buddy bats it in, and there you go. Oh, my God, he can't believe it. He's just looking at him like, are you sure? Are you sure that just happened? This guy says, cool goal in the second period. Goalie, like, come on. So here it is. If anyone's never seen how this is done, you just put pressure down, 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 and then you roll it so the puck flips up, and then you carry it, and then you just kind of saucer it up there over the goal. Kids practice this in hockey nonstop. To pull it off in a game is amazing. Milano just feeds it right through the net. Perfect execution. You can see his face just, oh my God, did it really happen? Did it? Behind the net, up, over, down, in. Celebration time. No, we're in awe. We're not celebrating. We're trying to figure out what life means. The fans just watching, not knowing what they're going to see. Up, over, batted, in. Oh my God, did you see that? I can't believe it. Looking at the replay. Just in shock. The refs got to look at the replay too, because was this legal? Is this allowed? Was it high sticking? Let's take a look at what the high sticking rule says when you hit a puck. Here we go. It says, batting the puck above the normal height of the shoulders with a stick is prohibited. So was his stick shoulder high when he hit the puck? And I don't know, is it the blade? I don't think so. I think it's the shaft, not the blade. Two pretty cool words. Blade, shaft. So I think it's good. It's below the shoulders. And our guys on the bench, they're looking at the replay. They're going to make up their mind. He says, I feel like your stick was low. That's a goal. That's a goal. And now it really sinks in that they just pulled this off. He starts laughing like a little kid. The guy is only 20 years old. He's laughing his ass off. He's going to start clapping.
After reviewing the play, the call on the ice is confirmed. We have a goal. The puck was not high-sticked.
Australia. Yeah! We did it! So excited. Can't believe it. Just giggling like he got away with something. Like, oh my God, I can't believe we just did that. Can't believe I just won all that money on DraftKings. Wow, that could be you. Promo code JOHNBOY, DraftKings. Check it out. Hard to find a cooler assist and goal than that.